Let's take a look at this BougeRV 23 quart portable 12 volt or 110 refrigerator. Pretty nice little refrigerator. You can see inside here you got a lot of room. Now this one's in gray. They offer it in multiple colors, but I've got this plugged in the back of my wife's Kia Telluride, and it's plugged in right there to 12 volt. But it does come with the 110 adapter, so if you want to take it in the house, get it cold before you go on a trip, all that you can. I just now plugged it in. This goes from like -8, and it will go all the way up to a maximum of, let's see, I don't remember, 50 degrees. So you can go anywhere between 50 degrees and -8. Does include your instructions there. But pretty nice little refrigerator.